Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Orbits. In this video, let's learn about page layout and compact layout. Let's see what is meant by page layout. A page layout decides what fields, buttons, sections and related lists appear on a record. First, let's see how the page layout looks like. So let's move into the Lightning Experience, and I am moving into the students object. Let's open a record. Yes, the page which you are seeing is called the record page, and here you can see all the fields are appearing in one column, right? And this is called as the page layout. You can arrange these fields in the side by side as well, right? So in order to arrange them, click on this gear icon, click on setup. Select the object for which you want to arrange the fields. So I am selecting student object. Select page layouts. When you create an object, Salesforce by default create a layout for that object. So a student layout is automatically created. So click on this student layout. Here you can see all the fields which are related to that object. Okay. In the top left hand side you can see some of the options like fields, buttons, quick actions and some more, right? Let's learn each one of them in detail, but as for now let's focus on the field session. Okay, here all the, as we seen earlier, all the fields are arranged in one column. So I want this student ID to be appear in the right side, so just select it and drag and drop in the right side. Okay, and also I'm select the mobile number and drag and drop it over the right side. In this way you can arrange all the fields, and this is called the session name, that is information. You can change it by clicking on this session properties icon. Okay, here it is giving us the two options. One is the detailed page and the other one is the edit page. The one which we saw before is called the details page. Here you can see the details page. Okay, when you click on this edit button, you will get another page. It is called as edit page. So if you want to show this information session in two pages, you can enable these two checkbox. Otherwise, you can select any one of the page. Okay. Again, layout. If you want to show all the fields in one column, you can select this layout. But here I want to arrange the fields in two columns. That's why I'm selecting the two columns and then select OK. Now I want to arrange the fee details of a student in separate session. So I am selecting this session section and dragging and dropping it over under information session. Once you drag and drop any session, it will pop up the properties regarding to that session. So you can give the name over here. I am giving the fee details as the name, and I want to show this fee detail session in both pages. So I'm selecting on OK. Now you can see the fee detail session has been created. Now let's drag and drop the fee fields here. Okay, selecting actual fee field and drag and drop this under fee details session. In this way, you can create the sessions and arrange the fields under that sessions. Okay. Now just click on quick save. Now let's see whether these are reflected in the record details page or not. Let's move to the record and just reload the page. The changes which we made are not reflected here, right? Why? Because we did not activated the changes. So in order to activate it, just move on to the Lightning App Builder, click on Edit Page. Yes, this is called Lightning App Builder page. You can see the fee details session and the fields which we arranged in the right side. These are showing up in the app builder but not in the record page. Why? Because we did not activated it. Here the activation button means it tells the Salesforce where and for whom this lightning page should be used for. It means where. Where means we can see a lot of apps in the Salesforce, right? If you don't activate it, it will confuse and it will display the old default page. Okay, that's why we need to activate it. So I'm clicking on this activate button. It will give us the three options: org default, app record type, and profile. If you select this one, it will show all the changes or all the updates which you made for in all the apps and for all the users and all the record types. If you select this app default option, the changes you made will be applied only to the specific apps, that is sales app, services app, or the customs app which you created. Okay, if you select this option, it will show the changes which you made only in the specific record types. As for now, I am selecting this org default and click on this assign as org default, and I am selecting desktop and phone. Click on next. Save. Click on the save option. Now you can see the changes were saved here. Now move on to the student record page. Just reload the page. Yes, you can see all the changes which we made, right? In this way, we can arrange the fields by using the page layout. Now, let's understand what is meant by compact layout. A compact layout decides which key fields appear in the record header. It shows only the key information fields. Okay. Here, this is called as the header of the record. This student Priya, it is called as the record header. We can make the fields to appear here as well. So let's see how to create this compact layout. In order to create it, just click on setup, select the student object, select the compacts layout, click on new, label it as student compact layout. Here, these are all the available fields for this object. You can select the fields which you want to show up in the header. Here, I am selecting the student name and student ID and total courses which the student has joined. Okay, just click on save. Now we have created this compact layout, but we need to assign this to the student object. So in order to assign, click on compact layout assignment, edit assignment. Here you can see the primary compact layout is selected as system default. From here, select the student compact layout, click on save. Now let's see whether it was reflected in the record details page or not. Reload the page. Yes, by reloading the page, you can see the student ID field and total courses field in the header, right? In this way, you can create compact layout and page layout. This is all for this video. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please do comment me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.